JIH 20 series sawing machine. When the foot switch or double hand switch is pressed, the machine will perform material clamping, cutting, and spraying lubricating oil automatically. The built-in saw blade raises up to cut the material and also allows cutting with single or several materials simultaneously and safely. Enable 45 degree cutting performance. Easily and quickly fix cutting angles. Quick cutting and accuracy cutting without burr. Independent cylinder with linear guideway for up and down material pressing. This design allows for independent adjustment of clamping pressure to prevent the distortion of the materials caused by overloading, independent adjustment of cutting speed, and clamping speed. The clamping system could compact and stable press the material. Installation: 20-inch saw blade, horizontal clamping, in-feed and out-feed are optional. CE standard include protective cover and power-off switch. JIH 20 series sawing machine.